Hello students, we'll continue with the passive construction. Today we will take interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means what? Interrogative sentences means the questions. Okay. So today we will take that day in that video, previous video we have taken all affirmative sentences. Today we will take interrogative sentences. The first one, does the cat kill the mice? So how will we convert it into passive construction? So see, first, be very clear that this is the subject, this is the verb, and this one is the object. But as it is interrogative, we have to use the word, question word here, like is, am, are, was, were, did, has, had, these kind of words, because it is given here, does is given here. So here we will see first, does is in the present tense. So what we will keep here? Are. Why are and not is? Because the mice is the plural form and the mice will come here after this are. That's why we are taking here are. The mice, subject we are keeping, killed, verb third form, by the cat, and the question mark will come. Okay. Not much changes are there, only these words you have to keep properly. Next one, did the cat kill the mice? This is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the object. But here the question word is there. Did. Did is the past tense. So what will we keep here? Instead of did, were. We will not keep here was because the mice is the plural form. Were the mice. Instead of kill, we are keeping here killed by the cat and the question mark. Okay. Third one, has the cat killed the mice? Now instead of has, we can keep has here, but because this is the plural form, the mice, so we'll keep here have. Have, see here, subject, verb, object. First of all, you have to separate the sentence and then only it will be easy for you to make the sentence in the passive voice. So have, keep the object, the mice. Now because we are keeping here have, which word we have to keep here with have? So been, B-E-E-N, been. Have and been are connected to each other. When we are keeping have, has, had, then we are definitely keeping been. Have the mice been, verb third form, killed by the cat, and again the question mark. Same like that here, had. There is no change in the had because had is itself the past tense. So had, see, subject, verb and object. Keep the object. The mice, after the object you will keep being. Being killed by the cat and your question mark. See here, we are not making much changes here. We are just changing this is. Thus is converted into are, then again subject, verb and the, sorry, object, verb and the subject. Same like that, because it is a past tense here and this is plural form, we are keeping here were. The mice killed by the cat. Has is given, but we are keeping here have because it is the plural form. Then we are keeping the object, the mice, because have is there. With have, been is obviously coming, definitely coming. So with have, we are keeping here been. Have the mice been killed by the cat? And same like that, had the mice been killed by the cat? Understood? Next sentence is the cat killing the mice? See now here, the cat is the subject, killing, verb plus ing, and this one is the object. So how will we convert it into passive? So instead of is, we will keep are, the mice killing, being killed. Why being? Because ing is there, so here also we will keep ing. Are the mice being killed, verb third form, by the cat and the question mark. Same like that. Now here, see, the cat killing the mice, and here it is was. What we will keep here, because it is past tense and the plural form. So were the mice, again instead of killing, being killed by the cat and the question mark. See now next one. The cat killed the mice. Here it is will. So no need to change anything. Just keep will the mice. Now I told you know what to keep with the auxiliary. Be. Will the mice be killed by the cat and the question mark. Same like that the next one. The cat have killed the mice. Will. No need to change here will. Keep the object. The mice. Instead of have killed, what we will keep here? Have been killed by the cat. Question mark. See now. Again I will repeat. Is the cat killing the mice? So instead of is we are keeping here are because it is plural form. Are the mice? Because here ing is there. Here also we are keeping ing. So being killed by the cat. Next, instead of was we are keeping here were because it is the plural form. Were the mice being because ing is here. So ing here killed by the cat. Next will same thing. The mice will come here. Instead of kill, we'll keep be killed. Why be? Because here it is auxiliary. Be killed by the cat. Same here auxiliary word will. Again the object the mice. Have killed is given. So we will give preference to have and not to will. And so we'll keep here being, not be. We will give preference to the next word. Will the mice have been killed by the cat? So now we have taken all 8 types of affirmative also and interrogative also. Now mixed sentences we will see and we will solve. Some of the sentences we will solve here and some of the sentences I will give you in the homework. See now, first one, manners show character. First of all we have to find out that which tense it is in. Manners show character. It is in the present tense. This is the subject, this is the verb and this one is the object. Now come on, make the sentence. So what will come first? Object. Character. Instead of show, we'll give here is shown. Verb's third form plus is shown by manners. Okay. Character is shown by manners. Now see here, Columbus discovered America. Columbus is the subject, discovered is the verb and America is the object. Which tense it is in? Discovered. It means it is in the past tense. So start with the object. America was discovered by Columbus. Okay, instead of discovered we are using here was discovered. Because it is the past tense, it is the singular, that's why we will keep here was and not were. Next is Mohan is the subject, has stolen my purse is the object. This is has plus verb. Okay, verb's third form. See now, what will you keep first? First we will keep the object. My purse. Instead of has stolen, has been stolen. We'll keep here been with has. Has been stolen by Mohan. Next one, the police had arrested him. Okay. See now, this is the subject, the police. Him is the object. And this is had plus verb's third form. What will you keep first here? The object. But here we will not keep him. Okay, we will keep he. He had arrested. So what will come here? Had been arrested by the police. Okay. So clear? These are 4 sentences. Next sentence is they are repairing the bridge. See now, we'll separate it. Subject are repairing and object the bridge. This is the are plus verb and ing. Okay. So what will we keep first? The object. The bridge Now instead of are repairing, what will come here? Is, because this is the singular form, so we'll keep here is and not are. Is repairing. Ing is there, so what will come? Being. And third form of the verb, repaired by. They is there, so we'll keep here them. Okay. Next is Rani was making a doll. Rani is the subject, this is the verb form, and this is the object. First we will keep the object. What is the object? A doll. A doll. Now come on, make it. What will come here? Was making. So what will come here? Was. Ing is there. Being. Third form of make. Made. By. By whom? Subject Rani. Okay. Here ing is there, so we'll keep here also ing. Next one. My father will buy a scooter. Here auxiliary is there. See now, my father is the subject. Will is the auxiliary verb, and this one is the object. How will we keep it? First we'll keep the object. A scooter will buy. Instead of that, what will we keep? Will be bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. This is the third form of the verb buy. A scooter will with auxiliary B-E-B will come. Will be bought by subject my father. Okay. Next one. She is the subject. Will have finished. And her homework is the object. What will we do here? We'll start with her homework, the object. Her homework. See now here, will have finished. What we are going to keep here? Will have. Now, will is also there, have is also there. So, what will we follow? The next word. Will have been finished. Now here see. This is also a complete and correct sentence. You can keep here by, because she is there, so her. If you will not keep this one, then also it is right, because we are already using here her. So it's okay if we are not using it double time, then it's okay. We no need to use it twice. But if you are writing, that is correct. If you are not writing, then also it is correct. See, her homework will have been finished. This much is also correct. But don't keep any doubt and just write down. Her homework will have been finished by her. This is also the correct one. See now. Next, now we will take interrogative sentences. Do manners show character? See now here. What is the subject? Manners. Show is the verb and character is the object. This is the word interrogative word. We will change here only this word and we will not change the place of it. Okay. See now. Do manners show character? It is in the present tense. So we will keep here is. We will not keep here are, because character is the singular form. So is character shown by manners and the question mark. Okay. Is we are using an interrogative word. This is the object. This is the verb third form, and by manners. Okay. Next one. Did Columbus discover America? This is the past tense. Did. Columbus is the subject. Discover is the verb, and America is the object. What will we do here? The past tense of it was. America. Object we are keeping here. Discovered. Verb's third form. Discovered by Columbus. And the question mark. Has Mohan stolen my purse? Here, has is coming. Okay, what will we keep here now? See, has is there. Subject is Mohan. Stolen is verb third form. And my purse is the object. So, has will remain same like that. Has. Keep the object. My purse. What will come with has? B-double-E-N, being. Being stolen. Before the verb you will keep being. Being stolen by Mohan and the question mark. Same like that, this is in the past tense. Had, the police is the subject, arrested, verb third form, and him is the object. Start like here, had, now him. This is the relative pronoun. What would be the pronoun of it? So had he. Now this is the verb. Before verb, what will you keep? Because here had is there. So had he been arrested? Been arrested by the police. And then question mark. Hope you are understanding it well. Sentence. Are they repairing the bridge? See now here. They is the subject. Repairing. It means verb plus ing. The bridge is the object. Okay. Let's start. Are is there because here they is there. They is the plural form. So here are is used. But we will keep here the bridge. So the bridge is the singular form. So what we are going to keep here instead of are is. The bridge, instead of repairing, what will we keep? Being repaired. B-E-I-N-G, being. ing is there, so here also ing, being repaired, verb third form, by them. Relative pronoun of they, by them, and the question mark will come at last. Understood? Next one. Was Rani making a doll? Rani is the subject. This is verb plus ing. And this is the object. Was, because Rani is singular, so here was is there, but a doll is also singular, so no need to change the word was. Keep the object, a doll. Now making. So what will come here? Being made. B-E-I-N-G, being ing, and verb's third form made by Rani and the question mark. Same like that. Will, auxiliary, my father, subject, by, verb, a scooter, object. Come on, start writing. So will remain the same. Will, a scooter, by. Instead of by, what will we keep here? Because will is there, so be. And by, third form, bought. By my father. And the question mark. Are you understanding? Will, a scooter, object, instead of by, because will is there, so be will come, and by third form, verb third form, bought by my father. This is the subject. Next is will she, subject, have finished her homework is the object. We'll start with will. Her homework, her work have finished. So have been finished. With have, B-double-E and been will come. Will follow the next word, this one, not this one. So will her work have been finished by her, relative pronoun of she, and the question mark. I hope you are understanding. I have taken all types of sentences now. Now you will get the homework. The sentences I will give you, that you have to solve yourself in your notebook. And if you have any doubt, you may call me.